Okay, all my subscribers, guess what? We in Davis County are under a tornado warning right now. Yeah, it should be coming out of the west there, maybe southwest. Either way, there's a thunder. Yeah, it should be coming in here in just a few minutes. In fact, we'll see how dark it's getting back here. One thing they need to know about me, I'm not too scared of tornadoes at all, but I'm scared for the rest of my family because they don't necessarily have adequate shelter. Anyway, we are under a warning. It's getting windy, getting thunder and lightning. Should be through here in the next few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cokes out of the car here because I can't live without my Big Red. And if anything happens, I'll get a video of the aftermath. So catch you later. Fun day.
Really be able of any use. We'll back it out here just one notch or two, and that should. Let's just go back to our home view here. We'll start over and hopefully get a little better picture of what's going on there in the area. And again, our wind scope is the tool that we use, especially during this kind of an environment or this kind of an event, to ferret out where those tornadoes may be possible. And I want you to look at something here. This is interesting too, Chad, as you were saying a moment ago, we're kind of getting a little more of a hook formation down here at the southern end or the base of this particular storm. And as that tightens up a little bit, that can be an indicator of a funnel cloud forming as well. But you'd seen a couple of these earlier in the cells that you were tracking, so this is certainly something that really bears watching very carefully here, and that's why we're going to stay with this here for as long as we need to. There's some more shear now, or rotation showing up just to the southwest of Owensboro. The hook itself is down in this area, so just to be safe, we're going to go ahead and do a track on that entire storm. And as it moves now to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour, these are some of the cities in the path. Owensboro, 6:10 in about 5 minutes. That's right in downtown Owensboro. Red Hill, Masonville, Dermot also in the path of this storm that we have had spotters now reporting rotating funnel cloud aloft. And that has been between Owensboro and Calhoun. We're going to go back to live radar here. I wanted to make sure we had everything kind of covered there. And as we go back now to the live radar picture, again,
there's the rain. There's the lightning. Alright, there we go. That's it coming in right now. There's some hail. Yep. That's some pretty good sized hail. Sure hope it don't hit my Jeep. That would be bad. Well, gotta go check some things out. Catch you later.